Okay, today's video is about the distributive property, and it's pretty easy. There's just a couple tricky parts you need to pay attention to. So let's say number 1 from our first worksheet is 2 times the quantity of 9n minus 7. So what we're going to do is we're going to distribute this 2 and multiply it by both terms inside the parentheses. So we're going to get 2 times 9n is 18n. We're going to get 18n. And then we're going to have 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. So we're going to write minus 14 because subtracting 14 is the same as adding negative 14. And that's the answer. Now, number 2 on your worksheet is 3x minus 5 times the quantity of 4x minus 6. Now, here's the thing to watch out for is we're going to do negative 5 times 4x and negative 5 times negative 6. Okay? So we're not going to do anything with this 3x, okay? So we're going to start by rewriting 3x, and then I'm going to take negative 5 and distribute it to each of the terms inside the parentheses. I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to get negative 5 times 4x, so I'm going to get 20x, because 5 times 4 is 20, and a negative times a positive is a negative. So I'm going to write minus 20x. But then I have a negative 5 times a negative 6, which is a positive 30. So I'm going to write plus 30. And then the last step is I have to combine any like terms. So over here, and let me review that this was number 1, and this is number 2 on worksheet number 1. You'll see here that this was the final answer. Okay? Because these are not like terms and I cannot combine them and I cannot simplify any further. But here, these are like terms. And so I can simplify, I can combine them and make this a simpler expression. So 3x minus 20x is negative 17x plus 30. Now, I do not have any more like terms, and this is as simple as this expression can get. So that is our final answer. Let's do one more together, and then I think you're about ready to try these on your own. So I'm going to go to the next page, and I'm going to do number 3 from worksheet number 1. It's negative 9. Let me go ahead and write in the dark navy blue. Negative 9 times the quantity of 2q plus 7, and then take that and subtract 6. So first of all, why don't I bring down this minus 6, because I'm not going to do anything with it. But I want to distribute this negative 9 to each of these terms. So I have negative 9 times 2q. So negative 9 times 2 is negative 18. So I'm going to get negative 18q. And then negative 9 times positive 7 is a negative 63. So I'm going to write minus 63. But you'll notice that I am not done because these two are like terms. I can simplify them. So I'm going to do keep, change, change. So I get negative 63 plus negative 6. So that together makes negative 69. So it's negative 18q minus 69 or plus negative 69. So this is our final answer. Okay, so watch this video a couple times. It's nice and short, and watch out for those negative signs as you're using the distributive property. Good job. Shukrani, gracias.